What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a basic TikTok to make your TikTok page stand out even more compared to other accounts. If you're interested, make sure you watch out throughout the whole video as I'll be explaining formats, some effects you can be using, and other ideas you can add to your TikToks to make it more unique and more interesting. Let's just get straight into the video. So to start up, I'll be leaving all the links to everything I'm using, such as color corrections, editing software that I use, which is free, which is amazing. So I will be leaving all the links that I use in the description. So to start up, just load up DaVinci Resolve. I'm currently on 17. The newest one is 18. It's basically the same thing. There's no difference except 18 has more features, I'm guessing. So I haven't gotten around to downloading it. So to start up, you load it up, and you should get a page like this with setup video. This is all my folders. So to start, you can create a project and it'll look like this. If you create a folder, it'll look like this. And then you can, new projects within it, so you're organized as I am. So I'm gonna load up this one. This is gonna be me showing you how to edit a little video. Once you've done that, you go into your files and you get whatever video you want to edit. For example, me, I love to add the thumbnail to each of my TikToks at the start, which is like 10 frames in, because that's how long TikTok captures with the movement, but covers, so it will look very clean on your TikTok page. And I'll show you an example right here of my TikTok page. If you'd like a tutorial on how to make basic thumbnails, make sure you drop a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you'd like a tutorial on that. So to get into the video, so I'll drag this here and I'll drag the thumbnail here, and then I would head to this tab here. You need to head over to this tab, and now this is where the magic begins. You click right on your mouse, click timeline to create a new timeline, and head over to here. So you get all of these options. So you need it on a TikTok format, which is 1080 by 1920 to make it into a phone format. So you can copy, type 1080 by 1920 to get that, to get the TikTok format. And then you select your frames based off the video frames that you're using, that the video's in. So mine would be 60, 59.94, 60, the same thing. Just 0.4 frame difference. Alright, cool. Now we've got the TikTok format, as you can tell right here. So I would drag my thumbnail here with my arrows. I do 10 times. As you can tell at the bottom, middle bottom, that's 10 frames in. And then Control B is to cut when you want to create a cut, or you can use this edit mode, I think this one, yeah, and it will cut through wherever you want to get removed. And you delete this extended part. This is to zoom in and zoom out of the timeline. Click on this, Alt, and then you drag it up. The reason for this, as you can see, the black background, you don't really want that, it's boring. So you can head over here to the bottom one, head over to zoom and do 3.2, and then you can keep it like this, or you can show, mainly the R3 or 1, since kind of about the gun, so it's really up to you. And then you head over. I realized at this point of me editing the video that my face camera was blocking some of the key informations. So I'm gonna be posting like images to show you where to go since my camera's blocking, and I'm sorry for that. In future videos, I'll definitely be aware of that, and I will definitely not commit the same mistake. Over to Y, click 0, so it's literally in the middle, in between, so there's no, black outline. 3.2 is the exact number of the fitting of format. And then if you head over to filters, you grab Glacier and Blur, and then you can add it to the bottom, hit effects, add 0.5 to it, and then add a little blur so the main thumbnail in the middle will stand out even more. Alright, so that's the first thing you do if you would like to add thumbnails to your videos so your TikTok page will look cleaner, as I showed you how my TikTok page looks. Make sure you go follow that too if you're new here. Alright, cool. If you head over here, you drag this file here, and you do the exact same thing, Alt and drag up here. And now you have 2 layers, right? So the top layer will be zoom 2, so you don't have to, you know, it just shows basically the gun and the most important thing. Because if you have it on zoom 1, it's too small. You don't want it like that. You could if you want, really personal preference, but TikTok wise, usually we do it like that. And then 3.2 for the background, so you know, it kind of mimics. And you add a blur to the background. Go head over to effects, and you can add whatever blur level you want. You can have high insane blur if you want, you can have low blur, you can have no blur, but I always keep it between the 0.5 to 0.6 range. Normally I just use 0.5 and that's about it. And then cut off any unneeded parts. So you don't want all of this. You see me just waiting, doing nothing. That's boring. You want to cut straight to the chase so it catches the viewer's attention really quick. So you need to head over to straight as soon as you start fighting or something where it catches the viewer's attention. You know what I'm trying to say? So you delete that. So Control B. If you highlight nothing and you hit Control B, it will cut all of it. And if you drag using the left mouse, you drag and then you click right and then you click cut. It will delete it and then you drag back. And then bang. So we'll go into the thumbnail from it's so fast you won't even realize into the TikTok video. And that will keep going. My PC is very terrible, that's why it's very slow, so I won't be able to play it before I render it, so I'll leave a video of how it turns out at the end. Alright, so this is all the clip. So another thing you can leave, which I will leave a file to it at the bottom in the description, is add a color corrector. Color correctors gives it a little of a bright color to it to give it more aspect to it. Just makes it more bright. It doesn't make it too dull. You can see the difference, can't you, chat? Not chat, YouTube. You can see the difference. It gives it more of a bright aspect to it. It makes it much more cleaner, much more fun to see. You add it to both, and you put based on what you think, but I always put 1.08. If I do it 2, I think is too much. I think it was 1.8 is on the dot, is perfect. And then that's how I edit my TikToks. And once again, you can add like social media reminders. So for example, you can add your Twitch, you can add like your TikTok, your YouTube pop-ups. You can add all of that within the video you would like. And that's just a quick video on how to edit a short and easy TikTok to try and make your video pop even more and make it more interesting. Of course, there's so much more edits you can make, there's so much more things you can do, but as of now I'm unable to create a video like that. But I will be definitely creating more videos on video tutorials to make better content. Yeah, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and have a good night. Peace.